I spent a fortune on cleansers, but my skin was always dull and tired. Then I found my grandmother's ancient Ayurvedic recipe, just 6 pantry ingredients. I was skeptical, but after 7 days, my skin had a filter-like glow. If you're ready for a real change, this is for you. That squeaky clean feeling? It's a lie. Most cleansers have a high pH that strips your skin's protective acid mantle. This leads to irritation, oiliness, and prevents your serums from working. Ayurveda figured this out 5,000 years ago using ingredients that respect your skin's natural balance. Here's your Glow Getter lineup. Besan 2 tablespoons, a gentle exfoliant that cleanses at a perfect pH of 5.2. Turmeric ½ teaspoon, a powerful anti-inflammatory that brightens and calms redness. Neem powder, 1 teaspoon, an antibacterial powerhouse that fights acne. Sandalwood powder, 1/4 teaspoon, soothes irritation and reduces redness. Rose petal powder, ½ teaspoon, a natural humectant that hydrates and balances pH. Triphala powder, a pinch, an antioxidant balm that refines pores. How to mix it without the mess. Sift all dry ingredients in a ceramic bowl to avoid lumps. Whisk with a bamboo chopstick for an even mix. Store in an amber glass jar for up to a week to keep it potent. The 60-second morning ritual. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Mix a nickel-sized amount of powder with 4 drops of water to form a paste. Massage upwards onto your skin for 60 seconds, focusing on oily areas. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes while you oil pull or brush your teeth. Rinse gently and pat dry with a clean, face-only cloth. The 7-day glow-up day. 1. Skin feels smoother. Day 3. Noticeably less oiliness. Day 5. A visible natural radiance appears. Day 7. Clearer, brighter, glowing skin without a filter. Quick troubleshooting. Yellow stain? You use too much turmeric? Use less. Too drying? Mix with rose water or aloe vera juice instead of plain water. Breaks out? Your skin might be purging. Follow with 1 drop of jojoba oil to balance oil production. Stack for a better glow. Amplify your results. Hydrate. Drink warm water with basil seeds in the morning. Eat. Have 1 raw carrot daily for a beta-carotene glow. Sleep. Try sleeping on your left side to reduce morning puffiness. Your skin story is written by what you put on it. This recipe is the simplest chapter you'll ever write. Take a before photo. Try this for 7 days and be amazed by your after. Keep your water warm, your turmeric light, and your confidence high. Your glow is waiting.